up in a bit, but I'll show you guys first how I make it. So cheesy and peppery and sweet and salty. It's just a great combination. Wow. Today people are out and about. Most people are celebrating the Lunar New Year. And today we're feeling a little bit festive. We want to try some foods. First off, we're going to try some amazing Kangkong chips. Now, some of you guys may not know what Kangkong is. It's actually a type of a water spinach, and it's a very common vegetable in Philippine cuisine as well as other Asian dishes. And not many people know that you could actually fry them into crispy chips, but it's very tricky to do. So we're going to try them and I will let you guys know how they taste like. Ate, excuse me po, available po lahat ng flavor? Available po lahat ng flavor? Ano pong lasa nung... Oops. Sarap din yung sour cream. Po, pwede bang dalawang flavor? Hindi, isang flavor lang. Sa XL, magkano sa XL? 120. XL or medium na lang? Medium na lang. Wow, that's the kangkong leaves, the batter, and they're fried into crispy chips like that. And then they let them drip, and after that they put the flavored powder on top of the chips. But if you're not decided yet, you could ask for a free taste. And it's called Kangkong King. Okay, so now we have our kangkong chips. And as you can see, they're fried, crispy with batter and some barbecue flavor. Now let's try tasting them. And of course, they're newly fried, so they're hot. It's so good. Really good. Wow. That is the best tasting chip I've ever had. The texture is like a crispy nacho, but it has that freshness in it. It's almost like a snack and a vegetable, but it's not like a leafy taste. It's really good. It's like a barbecue nacho, and it's actually kind of addicting. So today we're here at Dohtonbori, where we're going to try some authentic Japanese food. And apart from okonomiyaki, they have a variety of dishes. See here. Yummy. Oh, they have lots of okonomiyaki because that's their expertise. Yup. Yummy. Let's see. Oh, that's lots. Lots and lots. Wow, they have a pizza too? Wow. Maybe I'll take my time and choose which meal we have to try today.
Bali, repeat order ko na po. 1 soda ramen tonkatsu po and 1 Dohtonbori with raw egg.
Apa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here are the condiments. That's cute. Perfect for a crunch sharing. And I actually love this. I think this is 7 spice. Ooh, okay. Have some cute glass of water here. Cheers! Cool lights. Some Japanese lanterns here. And they have this place where you could actually sit at the Japanese table and cross your legs. Just how the Japanese do. But I guess we're fine here at the table. That's my sister over there. For the drinks. Oh yeah, there's an English translation on the side. Not bad. Am I in Japan? Wow, this is the Dohtonbori. And this is the tonkatsu ramen. Let's taste them. So now let's try the Dohtonbori with raw egg. Oh yeah, that's a creamy egg. I think you gotta mix it like that. Wow, that is smoking hot. Can't wait to take a bite. So as you can see, there's some caramelized onions here and some thin strips of meat and some glazing together with the raw egg that eventually got cooked with the hot rice. That's hot. Let's try the rice. Wow. So the flavor is actually not that strong, okay? It's not that strong, but let me tell you, all the flavors in here are so balanced. Like, you almost don't need to add anything else to make it perfect. It's perfect on its own. It's the perfect combination. Now let's move on to the ramen. Okay, so we have some noodles here, and then this is a creamy garlic base, and of course there are some chives or perhaps onion leeks, and this could be mushroom, shredded mushroom, yeah, and this is the nori or the seaweed, and a thin slice of the meat. So let's try the noodles and the soup. Wow, that's hot. It's actually quite chewy, not soggy. There's a slight crunch to it, and you could really taste the garlic in here. Now let's try the soup. It's kind of milky, and there's a little bit of pepper in here. That's light and soothing. So by the way, both of these dishes are very fairly priced. So each bowl costs 190 pesos, so that's roughly $5 per bowl. But for a high quality food and authentic Japanese food, this is a really good deal. Itadakimasu. So now let's add some 7 spice to make it more exciting. Although it's already good on its own, but I just like it spicy. Oh yeah. So yeah, the sauce is more on a soy base, I believe. And the texture of the Japanese rice is just perfect. And everything, like the meat and the fat, just melts in your mouth, which is something that I really, really like. So yeah, I'll be finishing my meals now, guys. And I will see you on my next food stop. This is Kumori. It's a Japanese bakery. Let's try one of their famous desserts, the Fuwari cup. Yum. That's the Fuwari cup. Mm. Okay, so this is the peach brioche, and I think there's a little bit of desiccated coconut on top, and then there's some custard, and of course some slices of peach. So I want to get a little bit of everything, just trying to put the peach on top. But yeah, let's try it. That is so light, airy, and very creamy. And it's not sweet, it's actually very eggy, you know, very custardy taste. Oh my gosh, it's like heaven in my mouth. Now let's try the Fuwari cup. So this tiny bad boy is the Fuwari cup. It's cheese Fuwari cup, so let me open that. And the first time I tried this, I almost died of happiness. So this is the cheese, and at the middle there's some custardy feeling, and at the bottom there's a really, really amazing crust. Oh my gosh.
Buy 3 for 100.
Wow. Can you see that? It's so heavenly, like the texture, it's so nice, you know, so creamy, and outside it's a little bit torch, but this one is the chilled version, so it's a really good dessert.
3 for 100.
Oh my gosh, is that cream cheese base. It's going to take you to heaven, and the crust that they have at the bottom, it's kind of buttery and nutty. Let me show you. It's a very crumbly bread at the bottom. And yeah, can you see that filling? It's very, very cheesy and nice.
Alright, now sir, try Kumori! 3 for 100!
So that's the 4 cup, and that's the 3 layers. Those are the 3 layers. Yeah, really, really yummy. Like, I'm daring you to try this and tell me it's not yummy. Something's wrong with you if you don't find this yummy at all. That is amazing. Really, really
3
amazing.
for 100!
So I hope you like this food trip. I'm going to finish my desserts. And let me know in the comments below what other desserts you've tried in Kumori. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!